Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Are you looking to study in China with a fully funded scholarship? Then you must know about CampusChina.org, the official platform of the China Scholarship Council. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to use the website and find your universities and programs related to your field. Okay, let's start the process. Firstly, here are many options and universities and programs. You can find your universities and program here. Open it. Okay, here are all the list of universities with different programs. Now we can filter here also. Degree, bachelor, doctoral means PhD, and also master. So here we select master. Instruction language, of course, English, and province, university, and program. You can here write your related program: chemistry, economics, math. Here I write computer, then search. Okay, now I will get my universities programs related to computer science and technology. So here are the list of all the universities and programs. They offer English instruction language programs. Here are the data: 121 programs offered in English related to computer science. So in this video we will talk about till there that the university, how to find your university and programs. Open that. First university is Chingchong University. So here is the name. You can copy and go to their websites. Also here the link below, you can copy and paste here to go to the university website. Let's wait. That's not the actual university. So also we can paste name and go. Okay, faculties and schools, Chenghong University. Okay, here is the home page of Chongqing University, and so that's the way you can find your universities and programs from the CampusChina.org. So in the next video I will tell you how you can find emails of professors from the university official websites. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video till there. I need your support, and my journey, I want to share that my progress, and which will be helpful for you also. If it helpful, so like the video and subscribe my channel. I will upload the next videos related to this and artificial intelligence also. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.